Learn how to do custom widget. Let's start a new Flutter project. I have already done its video tutorial. Scaffold has been added. Let us change the background color. Background color. Colors.red. Then body. Let's add a safe area widget. Then we can add a row widget. Row. Children. Let's add the container widget. Let's add a child widget to the container. Child. Text. Hello. Let's run. Okay. You can give a color to the container. Color. Colors.white. Width 100. Height 100. Let us add one more container in the row. Copy. Paste. Let's change the color of the second container. Color. Colors.blue. Similarly, we can change the child text to an image. Image widget. Image. Asset image. I have already done a video tutorial on displaying images. Enter the path of the image. .png. Okay, two containers are displayed in the row. Let us now copy this row and its widgets and create another custom widget. For that we can create a Dart file in the lib folder. Right-click. New Dart file. The file name is myrow. At the top of it, let us import material.dart. Now let us create a stateless widget. Let us type st. Let us select the stateless widget from the suggestions we see. Now let us name the stateless widget we are creating. I now give the name myRow to the custom widget. Now let's cut the row widget in the main.dart file and all the widgets within it. We can remove the container widget that returns it to the myRow file and paste it instead. Now let's see how we can add the custom widget we created in the main file. This is where the call comes in. You need to import the new file created at the top. Import. You must specify a relative path. Then file name myRow.dart. Here we can name our custom widget myRow. OK, custom widget displayed. Let's change the text. Changed hello to hi. OK, it's changed. Now let us pass a value from the main file and display it here. From here you have to pass as a parameter. Let us declare a variable here in the file of the custom file widget. String my text. Now let us create a constructor. The class name is the same. myRow. Enter the created variable name. This .myText. Enter the same variable name in the text widget here. myText. Now is in the main.dart. Pass any string. OK, the value has changed. Let's change it further. OK. This is a custom widget.